Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, have you ever wondered what a 165 mile diesel filter looks like? We had that TDI, Jetta TDI, we have many videos. That thing does not, actually didn't run at all. That thing was like, you cannot pass 2300 RPMs because it was not getting enough fuel. It was lacking fuel and it just couldn't go. If you give it, if you try to go wide open, it stalls, and if you give it a little bit of gas, it was going. So now, guys, that was our problem. We're gonna take that thing apart and see what it looks like. Never been replaced. It's a factory Volkswagen filter with 165,000 miles diesel filter. So yeah, let's see how bad that thing is. Okay, I think we'll be able to open that thing with a T30 now and see what it's going to look like. Just I think 5 bolts, and we should have it apart and see if we can get to the filter part. Okay, 2 more. Okay, right there. Let's see now. That's the moment of the truth, to see if we can pop that thing open and see what's inside of it, what was causing the car not to get enough diesel and not to be able to move. It was crazy. We checked the MAF. We have a video how to, guys, check the MAF sensor, how to test it and all that kind of stuff, because we were in a dead end. We didn't know what was it. Everything was fine. It wasn't throwing a coat or anything like that. Okay, now let's see what it looks like here. Okay, that's a nasty looking filter. Okay, let's see what the diesel looks like. That's inside of it. Okay, and on the bottom. Okay, on the bottom, that's where all the dirt is. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, right there. Okay, so we replaced the whole thing with the whole assembly, but all we have to do on this one, you can just replace the inside of it. Okay, just like that. So you don't have to buy the whole thing. Look at that thing. Look at how nasty it is. Okay, look at the fingers now on the bottom. Okay, that is just ridiculous. That's why it wasn't getting any diesel. You can see how black it is, and that's what it looks like on the inside of the bottom, on the bottom of the container as well. So yeah, if you don't get enough fuel, guys, definitely need to replace that one. You should definitely replace it more often than 165,000 miles. You can check your manual and see when it needs to be done, but we'll probably recommend doing it every 50-60,000 miles. You can see how nasty that thing is, and probably there is more in the tank, so we'll probably have a video how to clean the tank one of these days as well. And check this one out here. On the bottom, it's full of, okay, you can see it's full of contaminating pieces here and there. So hopefully the video was helpful, just informative video, guys, so you can see what it looks like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.